What is expository text? By Giel Joaquin B. Gonzales. Expository text is a type of text that it represents the facts and information on the topic. They're designed to explain the information or describe the information. The authors use graphics to help the readers to understand the concept represented. So, there are ways to interpret graphics in expository text, like 1. Infographics. There are graphics visualize representation in information and data or knowledge, intended to present information quickly and clearly. They can improve cognition by utilizing graphics to enhance the human visual system abilities to see patterns. For example, history of the Philippine flag. It was first flown and waved by Gen Emilio Inguina Kawit in June 12, 1898. And this is the image that is summarized all here from the history of the Filipino flag. And this image goes to the next thing called number 2, diagrams. A diagram is a drawing and image or sketch that is used to help the reader visualize what the author is describing the text. For an example, this image shows the first circle, the solvent of its different properties, and the second circle of its solute different properties. And the middle that is connected to the two circles are the similarities they form a solution. Next of the second image is the flowchart, where there's an equation that shows step by step on how to solve it by using the Pendes rule. And next is different, is visual-verbal relationship. Visual-verbal relationship is visual are considered to be things that can be seen, visible things other than printed words that are used to communication process. The natural tendencies for the visual and verbal components to be mutually supportive has been called a visual-verbal symbiosis. But when the natural verbal is destroyed or separated, it is now called a visual-verbal discontinuity. But why we need to understand the visual-verbal relationship? So we need to understand the visual elements in company text in order to improve the comprehension, especially when dialing the information materials. Also, visual cues or textual aids that used to highlight the necessary important information in the text. And that's all it for this video. Thank you for watching.